In our garden, we also have this beautiful sunflower that has bloomed over the past 6 months. This sunflower can grow up to 6 to 8 feet tall. This particular type of sunflower can grow up to 6 to 8 feet tall. So far it's about 2.5 feet, so it can still grow all the way up to this part of the structure here. It has a very thick stem that extends all the way up to the head of the flowers, and with leaves coming on the either side of it. You know, what's interesting is that it can support its own weight, and it doesn't need any stick to support the sunflowers. Unlike other plants like roses, the sunflowers can stand up on its own without any need of support. As the sun rises from the east to west, I've noticed that the sunflowers have a tendency to move towards the direction of the sun. Here is another sunflower that we have. It's almost around the same height. As the sunflower continues to grow bigger, you can actually eat the seeds from this part of the sunflowers. We have another tall and beautiful sunflower on this side of the garden as well. This one is really tall. It's almost as tall as me. It has a really strong and thick stem that extends from the base of the plant here, but we also made some support on the base of the plant so that it can stand up straight. We'll see this bee here. It's really like this bee is really loving our sunflower. It is trying to suck the nectars from the flower. This bee really loves the sunflower. It's going all over it to get the nectar from the plant. The beautiful yellow color of the sunflower really attracts the bees.